Hey everybody, Mario and Claire here. We're doing some grilled vegetables out here on our Traeger. Got the Bronson all heated up. It's already up to the max. A little bit of just olive oil, salt and pepper, pretty simple. Got some asparagus we're going to go ahead and lay out, spread all the way across the grills. It's nice and even now. Really get the benefit of some of that smoke. These carrots are going to take a little bit longer because they're a little bit thicker, but they'll come out nice and caramelized later on. I'm going to put some zucchini out here. But it gets Now we've got the Bronson cranked up all the way to the highest. I'll go ahead and let that close down this way. You can see when you open the lid, it'll drop the temperature, but it'll bring itself back up. We're using mesquite pellets today. So about 10 minutes for the asparagus and the zucchini, probably about 15, maybe 20 on the carrots. But we'll check them in 10. Excellent. The asparagus, awesome. Great texture. They came out in a perfect amount of time. I have always loved zucchini, and I love the smoky flavor that comes into those things. Now let's try these carrots out. Soft, chewy, sweet, smoky. An excellent way to cook all of these vegetables on a wood-burning Traeger. Best ever. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.